in some gracious professionalism, decided, no, you take a cup, no, you take a cup, it's all right. They're passing it back and forth, but 41-15 will score the cover for Blue, completing another win on the upper level. The score 98-14 would have hit 20 remaining. 32-35 takes a hard hit on that side barrier, going ahead and get players up. Waiting their turn, going into the Blue community, trying to score that cube, it's good. 44-15, grabbing code, 32-5, winning the tie. They got all the time in the world waiting on their partners. 5 on 5. 294 now, trying to clean up some cones as well for the Little Lions. 44-15 knocks one over the single player rating, double to action. But it will be 294, scoring the second to last cone for the middle level. And folks, we may be seeing a full print, dare I say, supercharged, with 30 seconds remaining in the match. And it will be 3, now 2 minutes remaining. For the Little Lions, 44-15, trying to solidly square things up, blocking the cone. 32-55 going for a double stack cone, but the grid is incomplete. 294 now, will finish up the grid, tapping that cube, and it is looking pretty supercharged.